In this short video, we'll walk you through installing VStitcher on your computer, step by step. First, let's check that your computer meets the GPU requirements. VStitcher uses Unreal Engine as its 3D display engine. For this reason, your GPU needs at least 4 GB of VRAM, but we strongly recommend 8 GB or more. If you want to use real-time ray tracing, you'll need an NVIDIA RTX 3000 series card, or newer. If you're not sure what GPU you have, search DXD IAG in Windows and click on the Display tab. One important note, VStitcher should always be installed on a physical laptop or workstation and not a virtual machine. Now you're ready to move ahead to download and install VStitcher. Go to Browseware's Help Center to download the latest version of VStitcher. Click the file to start the installation. Before opening the software, check your email for a message from Browseware with a link to activate your account. Enter your email and password to complete the activation. Your account will be activated under the Browseware Cloud license, and you can then log in to start VStitcher. VStitcher will then launch automatically. For maximum performance, make sure VStitcher uses your dedicated GPU. For all Windows users, go to Settings, System, Display. Open Graphics Settings. Make sure that the settings are enabled. Add VStitcher. Click the Option tab and set it to High Performance. Then restart your computer to apply the changes. For NVIDIA users, right-click on your desktop to open the NVIDIA control panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings, Program Settings. Add VStitcher. Select High Performance NVIDIA Processor and click Apply. For AMD users, open AMD Radeon Settings. Go to Gaming, then Global Settings, and set it to High Performance. If you're still seeing a GPU warning after launching, check that your monitor is plugged into the dedicated GPU port. Note that VStitcher must be configured for maximum performance with each installation of a new version and after a full uninstall. Lastly, make sure you work locally. Desktop environments often access files via cloud storage, which depends on network connectivity and can slow down your workflow. Best practice is to download files to your machine for a smoother, more reliable experience. This desktop folder, as indicated by the icons next to the files, is synced. In contrast, the Downloads folder contains files that are fully local and not synchronized. That's it, you're ready to design. For more details, visit help.browseware.com or reach out to your customer success manager.